What I just said.
Later.
See you. Have a wonderful summer.
You too. You too. We'll see you.
Marshall shoppers, did you want to save while you shop? Apply for the TGX Rewards credit card today and save 10% off your first purchase if approved. Plus, earn rewards at Marshall, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Sierra. Don't forget to ask about our member mornings events too. Stop by the register for more details.
We have all the good stuff for summer, from designer fashion to elevated home decor. Shop lightweight linen layers, trending dresses, matching sets, and woven sandals from brands you love. And get deals on crochet bags, swim for the whole family, and beach day essentials. Summer's so good when you're saving on the good stuff at Marshall's.
Mm-hmm.
Cashier number 3. Cashier number 5.
Ready to go to the Buckle? Or have you looked around now?
It's too expensive.
Okay. The long line there too.
Yeah. But I don't know if I'll get it in time.
Get what in time?
Shirts.
Oh, were you looking for shirts here? You
Yeah.
keep on shopping here. Come on.
I said I looked at these shirts.
Oh, look, they got Cinnabons. They're shaped like tennis shoes. What did you want? A shirt for the Temu price?
Huh?
I said, you looking for shirts at the Temu price?
Yeah. Have you ever been in the Ulta Beauty? No.
What's that, like makeup only or
Yeah.
lotion and stuff?
Yeah.
You got your shoes already? I thought you got some Skechers.
Walmart. I seen them at Walmart.
Oh. I thought you had some Skechers got shipped in already.
Tennis shoes, right? Dress shoes in case we go out for dinner and stuff.
I'm drooling for some reason.
Yeah, I'm not like you wearing tennis shoes all the time.
Okay. I got my dress tennis shoes on.
Yeah, this looks nice.
$17.
180.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, how
Hi.
you guys doing?
Good.
Are you guys shopping for anything fun today?
No, just looking right now. Thank you.
Okay.
$100.
Mm-hmm.
How was your day, guys?
Great.
Good. Did you need that? Oh, there's Lily's shirt that she was wearing the other day. Oh yeah, she liked it. They swear. Yeah, she was fighting. We hung. And wore that shirt.
$2.
80.
50.
Yeah. See, it's cheap. It's half price. Oh,
That's nice.
Hmm?
That's nice.
Mm-hmm. I don't think it's a woman's shirt though.
No, $40.
It's all stretchy. It'll show my muscles there.
I think Marshall's on that one.
You were just at Marshall's.
No, it's the wrong one.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
I think they got a Target back here.
But we were just there.
Yeah. Did you look into the shirts there?
Yeah. Maybe almost came out on me.
There's some money. Howdy, thank you. You find your dress?
Hot, hard.
You find your dress shoes?
See these? But they're brown.
Mm-hmm.
They won't really show. Will it?
Hmm?
Won't really show with the black pants. They're in at night.
I got the black Sharpie thing. You can you can change your color and wash them off. Like.
Try it on. It's only $17.
Do you need a hand? Hmm?
Yeah. I need some of those kind of shoes
What kind?
when I have one.
Are those? Usually they tell you not to try them on without socks on.
Oh, really?
You own them now, huh?
Can't get it on. Let me put my socks back on. Maybe it'll slide in.
You need a bigger shoe?
Won't go in.
Is that a workout?
No, wouldn't go in.
No, I said, was that a workout? Is the exercise there? Is that similar?
Yeah, those were the $60. That's for 54.
Buy one, get one half off.
Maybe I should go with the 8.
Do you ever wear sandals?
No.
Here, you can have these, the puffy ones here, Gloria. Gloria.
No.
Have these.
That's not for me.
11 and a half.
Yeah, these right here.
Uh-huh.
$60.
Kind of like what you have on there.
Yeah. They're
Zipper.
comfortable.
Here's the dressy ones. See, this is like a pump. That's what your Trish was wearing.
No, they were skinny.
Well, they look skinny because no, they weren't, because they were taller. They were like about this long.
Yeah.
But it had this maybe a little smaller heel. But isn't that what they call a pump? Did they say what it is?
You don't have any of it.
Here you go.
Okay, let's go. There's these right here.
I can weave you some. I'm a professional weaver.
Just cut these things off
Where?
because I don't want it. $30. These are cute, huh? Looks like 7, 8, and try an 8. Since you're
They get the color on the outside of the box.
there's no,
Black, see? It says black.
I know, but it's, look at the size, 9.
10. Size is that one?
7.5.
Uh-huh.
Whatever. Oh, this it's these up here. 7.5 black right there.
Hmm? Oh, uh-huh.
Right there, get that.
There's a 7.5 here. Light natural. Black.
Instead of telling me
Hilfiger.
can't see if it's. Yes. And this is there's no 8s.
Try that one on here. Let's look for an 8 here. 6.5. Same. There's 8.5.
Or an 8.
There's a 8.5.
No, not that one.
I'm looking. 8. Medium black. Did you need a backrest? You said you got a lot of stuff? No, you can't see. Can't see. What's gonna fit? They probably have some you can borrow. They're all sweaty. What one do you have on the 7.5? Is that the 7.5? You having your second growth spurt? Said you having your teenage growth spurt now? You're a late bloomer. Maybe shoes are just smaller in Avondale, or where are we, Buckeye? Yeah, okay. Maybe the other ones will probably stretch out a little bit.
remember